If you've ever thought artificial intelligence was only for young people or computer experts, think again. I'm over 60, and AI has become one of the most valuable tools I use every single day. It helps me save hours of work, create social media posts, design graphics, edit videos, and even write emails. Today, I'll show you exactly how I use AI, even if you've never used it before. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am your host, Sarah. On this channel, I help people over 60 embrace technology, earn extra income online, and enjoy retirement with confidence. Today, I'm sharing the AI tools that have become part of my everyday life. The first way I use AI is as my personal research assistant. Instead of searching through dozens of websites, I simply ask AI questions like, what are the best retirement destinations in South Africa? Give me 10 interesting facts about Mossel Bay, or what are 5 tips for retirees wanting to travel more? Within seconds, I have quality information that I can use as a starting point. This saves me an enormous amount of time. Instead of staring at a blank page, wondering what to write, I ask AI, write a Facebook post about retirement travel, or create a motivational post for people over 60. AI gives me a first draft, which I then personalize. This is probably my favorite. I use AI to create beautiful images for Facebook, YouTube, and my website. For example, I simply type, create a peaceful beach at sunset with a retired couple walking. Seconds later, I have a professional-looking image. I also use AI to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. Good thumbnails help people decide whether to click on your video. AI helps me create images that would normally cost money if I hired a graphic designer. Believe it or not, this very video started with AI helping me structure my ideas. It doesn't replace me, it simply helps organize my thoughts much faster. I also use AI video editing software. It removes mistakes, adds captions, creates transitions, even finds the best moments automatically. What used to take me several hours now often takes less than 30 minutes. Whenever I need to write an important email, I ask AI for help. Whether it's replying to a customer, writing a business proposal, or simply sending a polite message, AI helps me sound more professional. Whenever I run out of ideas for YouTube or Facebook, I simply ask AI, give me 20 video ideas for retirees. Or, what questions do seniors ask about retirement? I never run out of content. I even use AI as my personal assistant. It helps me create schedules, daily plans, travel itineraries, shopping lists, and even meal ideas. This may surprise you. AI has become my personal tutor. If I don't understand something, I ask AI to explain it as if I were a beginner. It never gets impatient. I want to be very clear about something. I don't let AI think for me. I use AI to help me think better. I always check the information. I always add my own experience. AI is a tool, not a replacement for human wisdom. If you've never tried AI before, I encourage you to start with just one question. You'll be amazed how helpful it can be. If you'd like me to create more videos showing exactly how to use AI step by step, let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching.